Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and run PHP program on Windows PC. So, let's begin. To install the latest version of PHP, the first step is to open your favorite browser, type PHP download in the search bar and hit enter. You'll see php.net in the results. Click on it and it will redirect you to the official PHP website. On this site, you'll notice that the current stable version of PHP is 8.3. To proceed, click on Windows Downloads. This will take you to the page for binary and source releases. Here, you'll find two options, non-thread safe and thread safe. Click on the zip file here and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, locate the file, right-click on it and select Extract Files. This will open a window and the extraction process will begin. After the extraction is complete, rename the folder. After renaming, right-click on the folder again and select Cut. Navigate to your C drive, right-click and select Paste to move the folder there. Now, your PHP folder with all the files is located in the C drive. Next, open the folder, click on the address bar, right-click and select Copy to copy the folder's path. Now, click on the search icon and type Environment in the search bar. Select Edit the System Environment Variables from the results. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Under the System Variables section, look for the variable named Path, select it, and click Edit. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click New, then right-click and paste the copied folder path. Once you've done that, click OK, then OK again, and one more time to close all dialog boxes. You can now minimize your browser and other windows. Open the search bar again, type CMD, and open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type php version, hit enter, and you'll see that the latest version of PHP, 8.3, has been successfully installed. Now, I'll demonstrate a simple PHP program. Create a new folder named PHP. Inside that folder, create a new text document and rename it to hell.php. Open the file with Notepad and write the following code, php echo hello world. Save the file. In the folder where you've saved the file, click on the address bar, type cmd and hit enter. This will open the command prompt in that directory. To run the PHP file, type phphello.php, hit enter and you'll see the output. Hello world, and that's it. You've successfully installed the latest version of PHP and run a basic PHP program on your Windows operating system. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.